boys and girls, I am Miss Moran. Welcome back to your math lesson. Today we will continue learning about sorting. We're going to be looking at different things. It could be persons or objects or toys, and looking at them and putting them into groups by what they look like, by their attribute, okay? So we've been doing this all week, and today we're going to do it, we're going to do a sort between animals and plants. Okay, but before I show you your homework, I promised you a Cookie Monster video about sorting, so I'm going to show it to you right now, and then we'll go over the activity.
Hi, hey, do you want to play a game now? Okay, here, I help. One of these things is not like the other things. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other thing? Before I finish my song, now look closely. Look, now something here, one of these things does not belong. Now I'll give you a hint. It has to do with how many cookies are on each plate. Okay? You ready? No? Okay, keep looking. I look too. This is hard even for a monster. Keep looking. Well, did you guess? Oh yeah? Did you guess which thing is not like the other things? Did you guess with all your might? If you guessed that this thing is not like the other things, you know what? You're right. Oh, you're absolutely right. You're so smart.
Okay, so that was the Cookie Monster video I was telling you about. So Cookie Monster had groups, and he was looking for the group that didn't look like the other ones. And in all his plates, he had 2 cookies, except for one, which had 3 cookies. And that was a thing that was not in the correct group, right? They had to have 2 cookies, not 3. So that's something similar that we're doing when we're sorting. We're looking at how the thing looks, its attribute, and deciding, does it belong in this group or does it belong on another group, right? So today we're going to be looking at different things, and we're going to decide, is it a plant or is it an animal? Okay, so let me show you your homework for today. So here these are the objects or things that you're going to be moving, or animals or plants, into groups. Up here it says plant, and over here it says animal. So all your plants are going to go here, and all your animals are going to go here. Okay, so let's look at this one. This is what? That was a turtle. Okay. And so is a turtle an animal or a plant? Is it a plant? Does it grow on the ground? No, right? So it's an animal. Good job. And now here we have, what is that? A flower. Okay, so is a flower a plant or is it an animal? The flower is going to be a plant, so we're going to put it over here. Okay, and that's how you're going to go each one. You can go one by one and decide, is this a plant or is this an animal? And then you have to put them on the right group. Okay, so at the end, check and make sure that they're all plants, and make sure these are all animals. And if you accidentally put one on the wrong spot, just move it over to the correct spot. Okay, that's how we sort. We look at its attribute, how it looks. Okay, and we decide in which group we're going to put them. And we can always check again, because sometimes we make mistakes, and that's okay. We'll check them, and if we put them in the wrong spot, we'll just move them. All right? Okay, so before I let you go, let's review what we learned. Okay, boys and girls, so today we reviewed what sorting is, which is basically putting things into groups. All the things that look the same go together. And we are looking at the object's attribute, how it looks, to decide in which group it's going to go. And sorting is important because it helps us know when we look at the objects if they are the same or if they are different, right? And we're using the attribute. Attribute means how something looks, all right? Today, sorting was about putting all the animals in one group and all the plants in another group, okay? So we were able to look at the object and decide, does this look the same as the other plants or does it look the same as the animals? Which group is it going to be on? And then making a decision and putting it in that group, all right? And remember to review or to check, double check your homework Make sure that all the ones in your plant groups are plants and all the ones in your animal group are animals. And if we put one in the wrong place, just fix it before you turn it in, right? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed your homework and the little Cookie Monster video that I showed you. And I will see you here next week. And we're going to learn something new. It's not going to be sorting, I promise. All right, I'll see you next week. You have a good weekend. Bye-bye.